all the decoration stuff for it. And then, last but not least, the best part of it all, my costume for my birthday. That's what I got. So you get it open. So it has the headpiece and the headband. Let's just open this. It's just in a little baggie. And the headband, you have to fix it. So the headband is the top of the cupcake, and it's super sparkly, and it has a bow and a tiara on it. And this is the back and stuff. And then the actual outfit is here. So it's on a cardboard thing, but it's kind of crumbled, but we can fix it later. And it's a cupcake queen, and it has a pink bow and like little, and it has yellow sleeves and blue ruffles that have glitter, and it's super pretty. I'm so excited to try it on. Hey guys, so I'm going to open my Shopkins decor, and it's a decoration kit with all of like the decorations and different stuff that comes in it. So I'm gonna see what I got in the Shopkins kit for my birthday party. So the first thing that I see on the top is Shopkins, and then there's Shopkins. They're like wall hangers for the wall and like for the table too, which is these to go on the table to give it more decoration, and that's what it has in the back too. And this is a Shopkins banner. It says like happy birthday, and it's decorated with a bunch of colors, and it has Shopkins on it. And it's a table cover. So this is the table cover for like the table to make it look extra Shopkinsy. And it has a bunch of the Shopkins like Lippy Lips and Delish Donut, Strawberry Kiss, and Poppin' Popcorn. And last but not least, it is the Party Shopkins plastic door cover to make it look like Shopkins, and it says party, and then it has like cookie, apple blossom, and different Shopkins just in the cart, in the shopping cart, and it says like happy birthday and party and stuff. That's it for the video. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye!